Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Yes, me there again, my people. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Yeah, I have some things I want to talk to you about. You don't know. My name is Dancehall skilla. See? Alright, my people, now. I am about to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers. And this video shows some things that happened during a confrontation between a person and a police officer from within the country of Jamaica. Now, I think it would be best if you look and listen to this video for yourself and try to get a good understanding about the situation, viewers and subscribers. See? Here's the video. Look, listen and observe.
Yo, you don't have to play, man. Alright.
Why will you say for the guard here?
Give me the key for the bus.
Why will you say for the guard here?
Right, I'm face the way to go and kill the bus.
Give me the government bike.
Sarge, I'm going to play, Sarge.
Give me the government bike key.
Give me the key for the bus first.
The bus sees.
Seize this bus for what?
Give me the key.
For what? Seize bus for what?
Hello.
A robot?
No, give me the government bike.
What do you must start? Must seize bus. Give me the key for the bus first.
Why am I here with him? Why am I here with him?
Sarge, you don't know me, Sarge.
Why am I here with him?
You don't know me, Sarge. Tell that to me.
Why am I here with him?
You can't play any other bus number. You can't play any other this Sarge. Tell that bumper.
What are you saying, man?
Seize what?
Did you hear what the officer said about seize? You hear certain words that have been used in the video? Hold on, let me play back a certain part of the video because I want you to hear carefully what I want. Listen.
Give me the key for the bus.
Why will you say for the guard
Right,
here?
I'm face the way to go and kill the bus.
Give me the government bike.
Sarge, I'm going to play, Sarge.
Give me the government bike key.
Give me the key for the bus first.
The bus sees.
You hear what the police officer said about the government bike key? And you hear the words that the other person used? The people in a real situation they set away. But here my best advice still, you see? As a motorist, always make sure that your papers are documents for your motor vehicle and make sure that your license is up to date and nothing wrong. Always make sure of that. You see what I say? And here the next thing I say now, see? If police say they must seize your motor vehicle, and if you believe you're in the right, always do the legal steps. Don't do anything that can put yourself in trouble with the law. Alright? Don't do anything that can put you in trouble with the law. Alright, with that I'm going to move on to another topic. You can let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you. Now here I'm going to present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and based on what I saw and heard in the video, I got the understanding that the video shows some things that happened during a confrontation between two persons, and then at some point another person intervened, viewers and subscribers, because of what one of those persons who was involved in the confrontation had done. Now please bear in mind that the video shows a hostile situation, and you can also hear harsh language in the video. And I want you, my viewers and subscribers, to look and listen to the video carefully and tell me which one of those persons who you can see in the video did something right from which one of those persons who you can see in the video did something wrong. Alright? Because in my point of view, at least one of those persons who you can see in the video do something wrong. Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen and observe for yourself. Hold on.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I have it recorded. Don't touch me. Hug. And hit my conscience, abuse me. Sheldon, a man just hit my conscience, abuse me. Hello? I need him to take his car off of mine so I can go to the police station. I've already called the police.
Hey boy, I'm mad man.
He won't take out his papers.
Sign this.
I got the license plate. I got it. I got it.
Don't let him out. Don't let him out.
I got it.
Alright, first thing I have to say is big up to the person who intervened. You know, the person who got involved, big up to that person there. You see what I say? Yeah, that person there intervened because in my point of view, I think that the person didn't like what the other person had done. Now, clearly the video shows one of those persons who was involved in the confrontation driving a certain type of motor vehicle. And I think you can recognize what type of motor vehicle the person was driving. You see me? Sometimes my life just point out things. And everything my life I say. Now, overall, in my point of view, if two motorists somehow get involved in a two motor vehicle accident, I think that they should be able to resolve the whole situation or the issue in a peaceful way. So I say, the whole badness thing and them thing there, and the bullying thing and so forth, and the assaulting thing and them things there, they are not right to do. In my point of view, in no circumstances, nor no situation. But you can let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers. Alright, on to another topic. Now my people, I got information that a man had been shot and killed and a dog had something to do with that situation. See? But the way how I got the information first, viewers and subscribers, it made me wonder. And made me think all kind of things. Because, let me say it, on social media, me see at least one post with some words that says, dog shot and kill man. So, me said to myself, how can a dog shot and kill someone when dog don't have any thumbs? Dog don't have hands like human beings. So, it's like me never believe when me see on social media. So, I did some research, viewers and subscribers, and I found more than one news articles about this whole thing where it is said that a man had been shot and killed and a dog is somewhat involved in the whole situation. So listen carefully. Now, according to at least one of those news articles that I read, it is said that a man died in Kansas, United States of America on Saturday after he was struck by a bullet from a rifle when a dog stepped on it. So when me hear that part, then now, me say to myself, so, okay, well, that sounds somewhat like it can be believed because maybe certain accidents can happen like that, you know. A gun loaded, dog goodly step on it and maybe a part of the park catch a trigger. So, me start say, alright, that sounds like believable. Another news article that I read said that a man died in Kansas on Saturday after officials believe he was struck by a rifle that discharged when a dog stepped on it. See? Now, my people, more than one of the news articles said that the dog stepped on the rifle in the back of a truck, causing it to fire and hit the back of a man. And the man was found in the front of the motor vehicle, viewers and subscribers. See? The same news article said that another person was also inside of the same motor vehicle, viewers and subscribers. But that person was unarmed. See? So it is said that at some point, emergency medical personnel arrived at the location at some point. The person was pronounced dead. Now, it's really and truly sad to hear about a situation like this in the viewers and subscribers. Not because I hear me talking a certain type of way. It's just because I was somewhat amazed based on how I first got the information. But on a real, to hear about a situation like this is really sad. So, or should I say the situation sad then, my people. See? And I just gave you information based on news articles that I read. So, if you somehow get information from social media from someone a certain type of way, it's good to do your research. Sometimes the information they might not be accurate and also might not be true. See? And sometimes they can be true as well. But nevertheless, it's good to do your research. Alright, so on to another topic, my people. I think that a lot of people by now know that you have scammers out there, viewers and subscribers. And I think this is somewhat of a common knowledge with adults. See? Now I'm going to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers. And I want you to look and listen to this video carefully and tell me if you hear or see any sign of someone trying to scam someone. I'll tell you what I think as well. Look, listen and observe.
Hello.
Yes, Mr. Johnson.
Yeah, Mr. Johnson here.
Yes, how are you now?
Yeah, man, I'm in half a tree now.
Okay, and you know where to find the JN Bank?
Right across on the transport center. I just said.
That's correct. Are you ready to make it there now?
Yeah, man, I walk over there now.
Okay, because I'm going to be on the line with you, so everything is done
Oh.
correctly, okay?
Okay.
And you said you know how to use the ATM machine inside of the JN Bank, that's correct?
I'm not sure, I never really do not like that yet, you know.
Okay, I'm going to be on the line with you. You're going to use
If
the
anything
ATM
I take-
machine to make a deposit, okay?
I take me go take out money. If you go put in money, I never do that yet.
This a-
Okay, no problem. I'm going to be on the line with you, okay?
Oh, alright.
Yeah.
So this person,
I walk over there now, man.
in my point of view, that sounds like a well set trick. You see what I say? Yeah, and if a scammer get trick, well deserved. You see what I say, my people? By the way, do you think the person who was holding the phone was at half a tree at the time when the video had been recorded? Do you think so? Eh? My people, I think it is common knowledge, but I'm gonna say it anyway. If someone call your phone, or if you receive a phone call from someone, and the person tell you that you win a certain amount of money, but you need to deposit a certain amount of money before you can collect whatsoever amount of money the person claim that you win, my best advice is just contact the police. Yeah, contact the police. I think that would be one of the things that you should do when it comes down to the law and order within the country of Jamaica. Me no really want to the whole about tas. You see me I say, I mean, if me win something, and you say me have to go deposit money for it, take the money out of when me win the budget and then give me the rest. Eh? Why can't I go so? Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla.